Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and learned fuel trims. Once done, remove the plastic engine cover with a 10mm socket or by unclipping it so you can access coil packs. Now gather the right tools: a 3/8" ratchet, an 8/10" extension, a 5/8" deep spark plug socket, and a torque wrench. Make sure the engine is cool. Hot aluminum heads will distort threads and make removal hard. You proceed one cylinder at a time so you keep firing order intact and avoid mixing up coils. First, unplug the coil connector and remove the retaining bolt, then use compressed air to clear debris from the spark well so grit doesn't fall into the cylinder. Pull the coil boot straight up. If it's stuck, twist gently while pulling. Fit the new plug into the 5/8" socket, start it by hand to ensure threads engage, then use the ratchet to snug. You finish by torquing each new spark plug to 18 lb ft, 25 Nm to protect the aluminum head threads, then reinstall the coil packs, tighten their bolts, and reconnect the electrical plugs. Reinstall the engine cover and reconnect the negative battery. Start the engine and listen for a steady idle. Watch for check engine lights or misfire codes. If you do get a misfire, make sure connectors are fully seated, gaps are correct, and torque was applied. Then scan OBD-ROMAN2 codes for targeted diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.